Alright, ebusia from movie bia kwa badeba eye BARGONTV. Die frame ya ne twum eduet ofre me BARGON so ebusia na chese majo so na ba bia ewu. Na ebusia eye America Red Cross anase enwumtuni eye Red Cross ebusia wato eye private jet ebusia enye adeketo akra. Na private jet na wato ye no hu say yes enye easy. Na private jet na wato ye no wato no eye $5 billion. $5 billion. Or say no crown and yesika bia emfa emano because according to no no sika or any plane na watono $5 billion na ohuni say and yesika bia emfa mano.
Morning glory. As you see, this will not stop. WMG, Ricky Rose, the Empire. Let's network, man. Let's get to the money. You can see how it's going down. If y'all want to do it together, let's do it together. You want to do it separately, that's on you. I want to network. Biggest boss, Ricky Rose. I told y'all, we ain't playing no games. Ricky Rose, whenever y'all see that WMG, that's a $5 billion play. $5 billion play. Who want to go around the world with Ricky Rose? I'm letting y'all know right now. Let's take it around the world. Let's take our hustle around the world, not just in the U.S. Africa, what's up? Greece, what's up? We just left Monaco, big money. Oh, man. Let's go.
Na plane ankasa na busuan efa enipa 8. Efa enipa 8. Na chese a private jet and as a private plane eno no. Ebusuan na eno na ensam ebusuan e koso wo Red Cross enso akache. Mesro say over subscribe to BARGONTV YouTube page, no follow BARGONTV so all social media platforms so ede amaye. Medase ahase and I'm doing busy.